How to import M1 Finance into TurboTax. To import your M1 Finance transactions into TurboTax, follow these steps. Go to the M1 Finance website and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Tax Documents section of your M1 Finance account. Download the relevant 1099 forms, example, 1099-B for investments, 1099 div for dividends. Visit TurboTax and log into your account or start a new tax return. In TurboTax, go to the Federal section, then select Wages and Income. Under Investment Income, click Stocks, Mutual Funds, Bonds, Other. When asked if you want to import your 1099 forms, select Yes to import. Find and select M1 Finance from the list of financial institutions for automatic import. Follow the prompts to log into your M1 Finance account and complete the import, then review the imported data for accuracy. Thanks for watching.